Today we're checking out the new Anakin Skywalker issue of the LEGO Star Wars magazine. Just a quick logistical heads up before we start. If you're in the UK, you're looking for issue 136, but for me this is actually the Spanish issue 133, which was released a month ago. The first comic story in the issue is called The Sound of Chaos. The plot follows a group of rebel soldiers who end up having a completely unexpected encounter. Of course, it wouldn't be a classic Star Wars comic without the villains showing up, and in this story we get Darth Vader and a band of stormtroopers. What I really loved about this one is that some of these scenes instantly reminded me of the old LEGO Star Wars video games. Moving on to this month's posters, first up we've got a great shot of set 75428, the battle droid with Stap. And then on the other side we have a really cool Light and Darkness poster starring Rey and Kylo Ren. Next up, we've got 6 pages of puzzles. First, there's From Good to Bad, which is based on Anakin's tragic turn to the dark side. After that, we get Obi-Wan Kenobi versus Asajj Ventress, a cool duel where the apprentice attempts to defeat Obi-Wan. Then we move on to Things Are Cooling Down, where Boushh Leia has to escape Jabba's catacombs. Oh, and look at that, a classic Boushh Leia minifigure. You already know this is a massive contender for minifigure of the issue, but let's finish the flip through first and we'll come right back to her. And finally, the last puzzle is TIE Fighters in Sight, where you have to help Luke Skywalker overcome the incoming TIE Fighters. After the puzzles, we get a nice little colouring page called Droid Friendship featuring BB-8 and D-O. Then we dive straight into the second comic strip of the issue, titled The Circle of Problems. This one features Anakin and Ahsoka, and things go south pretty quickly when they answer a distress call and fall right into a trap. The magazine finishes off with the usual galactic art section, a competition, and a sneak peek of the upcoming issue. But we'll actually go into this in a bit more detail after the main event, this month's Anakin Paper Bag. Alright, let's get into the main event, this month's paper bag. This is officially LEGO set L0002234, and inside we are getting the Anakin Skywalker minifigure, variant SW1398. This is his awesome Clone Wars look, featuring the dark brown and black robes, complete with black hands. Now if this figure looks familiar, that's because he originally came in set 75401, Ahsoka's Jedi Interceptor. Along with the Chosen One himself, the bag includes his iconic trans-light blue lightsaber with the silver hilt. Now that we've seen him in detail, let's talk about what the magazine release is doing to his value over on Bricklink. Before this issue dropped, this Clone Wars Anakin was actually fetching a premium because he was exclusive to Ahsoka's Jedi Interceptor. But this magazine has completely shifted the market. Obviously, you only need one Anakin for your display, otherwise the dark side would face some pretty impossible odds. So we aren't army building, but the supply shift is still great news if you don't have this minifig. And now let's get to the bit you've been waiting for, next month's issue. For those of you in the UK, issue 137 is going to drop on the 17th of June, and if you're in mainland Europe, it's actually available right now. The next paper bag will be the Commando droid, specifically SW1427, the pearl dark grey variant. This minifig originally comes from LEGO set 75435, and unlike Anakin, this is actually a figure you can build an army with. Now remember earlier during the puzzles when I teased the Boushh Leia minifig? Well, it's time to pay that off because she is officially my minifig of the issue. This legendary figure is variant SW0407 and she originally came out all the way back in 2012 in Jabba's Palace set number 9516. Here she is, and honestly, look at the helmet and the torso printing. It is easily one of the most iconic Star Wars minifigures LEGO has ever put out. If you've been hunting for a brand new one of these lately and you live in the US or the UK, stop what you're doing right now. You are about to walk straight into a massive domestic pricing trap. Let's look at the actual Bricklink data. On paper, the global market seems fine, but locally, supply has completely dried up. In the US, there are literally only 9 new ones listed in the entire country. In the UK, it's sitting at 0. Because of that, local US sellers are jacking up the entry price to an eye-watering $150, which is way higher than its historical $128 average. So while you weigh up if you're going to get this Anakin issue and count down the days until you build your droid army, why not check out these videos here, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my LEGO Star Wars magazine videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you over there.